Hey Sandy, welcome to last week here. So hope everything's going okay with you. I'm gonna review here the pay what I've seen so far, and let me so oh, wait, let me do it this way. Where are you at? Come here. Oh, there we are. All right. So Sunday night here, end of week 4. So let me look at your. I was just looking over this again for you. Um, all right. So far. Okay, now I haven't seen what you've done for the week 4 one yet, but um, and your question here, I'm kind of answer this too while we're going through here. But so you're still missing your table of contents. Abstracts, okay. Then you go into your introduction. So this would be like your executive summary, and then and you got this space here. You don't necessarily need this space. And then you should be going into the introduction. All right. I'm going to pull up the sample I sent you so we can kind of do a side by side here. Um, so let me, all right. So sample, table of contents, got the executive summary like you did. Uh, Her summary was a little bit long. All right, so this is like your introduction thing, which you're starting here. All right, so once you get done here, then you have the statement of the problem. Now notice the formatting. Centered statement of the problem is the correct way it should be done there. And then you go into what the problem is. That is generally about a page or so, and so you kind of a little short, but you should be okay. And then you got the space here again. And then the next part is analysis. So from what I've seen through weeks 1 through 3, you've skipped analysis. I mean, you skipped this part, the part where you do your written analysis, and then you're going to go into your environmental scan. Okay. Uh, right about the scan, and then you're going to go into the SWOT, and then you break it down. All right. And so, I mean, you've got a SWOT here, but you don't have it broken down as far as in the sections or anything like that. You can also use like a little graph if you want to, whatever the case is. But you need to have each part of the SWOT analyzed or in there. You don't necessarily need to have different like the porter or anything like that. As long as you got the SWOT, you'll be okay. Um, this part's okay too, the pestle analysis. Um, that can be good too. And so you get down, where are we at here? Da, da, da. I mean, the only issue here is you don't have each of these paragraphs outlined as to what they are, uh, so that's an APA formatting thing. Uh, you should have each thing kind of outlined. And then you go into what week 4 is your alternatives or solutions, or just uh, and I guess that's where you're going to start right here. It looks like so. Um, so anyway, I hope this helps a little bit. Um, as soon as I see your week 4, um, and maybe I will have already covered anything you left out in week 4 when you see the video here, and then you look at what you did in week 4. So, but either way, I'll let you know. So week 5 is basically just dressing everything up, and so as soon as I see what you did for week 4, I'll get back with you, and we'll go from there. So, all right. Otherwise, have a great week. One more week here, and we should be finished. So. Um, and I guess I'll give you the last time you get to see a test question. So there's the 4-year-old grandkid. He's there, and he's there. So there you go. With that, I'll let you go. You have a great week. If you got anything, just get in touch like you've been doing, and that'll do it. See you later, Sandy.